Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilvi Nuriana. You can call me Ilvi, and I'm from Biology 8. In here, I will present my biology lab report with the title Biodiversity of Protists. Let's begin with the introduction. In the introduction, explain about the meaning is protozoa and protists and morphological of protists. Okay. Protozoa were heterotrophic organisms found in all major habitats, live freely and parasite in the animal's body. Protozoa also underwent a symbiotic life of commensalists and mutualists. Parasitic protozoa cause lung, which spread and harmful human disease. Generally, the reproduction of protozoa is asexual, but also happens to be a complex pattern of sexual patterns. Allah speaks in Surah Al-Furqan 25, which mean that is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and he has no son, and there is no fall only for him, and he has created all things, and he has set the size of his measure with its need. Based on the first, it's knowable that God created all things of a certain size, shapes, manners, and substance. All living creatures are created according their levels, as well as protists and protozoa created with a very small size. Protists and protozoa are created very small that cannot be seen with the eye directly, so use the enlargement tool or microscope will definitely run the fusion with the maximum. Protozoa and protists consist of several disease species. Each species, of course, has different morphological and characteristics. Each species also has different functions as well as their habitats. This practical uses tools such as microscope, object glass, cover glass, drop pipettes, tissue, camera, and bottles. And this practical uses material such as green ponds water sample, river water sample, rich field water sample, sewer water sample, greenstone water sample, and the last material is mixed water sample from board water. Method this practicum is have a 4 steps. In step 1, search for practicum material. Step 2, prepare practicum material. Step 3, observe parts of practicum material. And the last step, draw lab material and given the parts in the drawing practicum. Okay, in this we talk about my biology lab report about biodiversity of protists. In table 1, we found Paramecium caudatum in rice field water sample. Table 2, we found Pinolaria sp in river water sample. In the table 3, we found Iodogonium sp in rice field water sample. In table 4, we found Volvox sp in green ponds water sample. In the table 5, in the last table, we found Navisula sp in greenstone water sample. Okay, in table 1, based on the observation that has been done in the water drops of the river under the light microscope with a total magnification of 100, can be found the presence of Pinolaria sp. has a golden brown body, including in unicellular or has single cell and cylindrical length cell. Based on the result of the observation, Pinnuaria sp included in the Basilario species. This is because Pinnuaria sp was a freshwater alga that characteristic golden brown. Okay, in the table 2, based on the result observation, we found the presence of Paramecium caudatum. That characteristic, the front end of the body is blunt and the back is tapered or like sus. Okay, motile are able to move, moving with a false foot. His entire body is covered by cilia. Paramecium caudatum moving from top to bottom. His body measuring between 100 to 2,000 to 300 microns, having cell walls. In table 3, based on the recent observation, we found of Oedogenium sp with the characteristic by a long cylindrical shapes having chlorophyll or green substance and a partition of the body. In the table 4, we found Volvox sp with the characteristic by oval or spherical form, containing chlorophyll and able to make its own food, and each cell has 2 flagella. The last table, based on the results of observation, we found Navizula sp with characteristic by the form of oval, bilateral, symmetrical on the thick nut edges. The body was golden brown and has a rib as a tool of motion. The last is conclusion. 1. Protozoa are protists grouped by their instrument. Protists are grouped into 3 kinds of bonads: 1. Protozoa, alga, and slime mushroom. Alga are protists grouped by visible color pigments, while the mucus faunus was protists grouped according to its life cycle and its movement using flag. The second, based on observation conducted, there are discoveries from several algae, namely 1. Volvox sp, 2. Paramecium caudatum, 3. Navizula sp, 4. and Oedogenium sp. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.